Do you need to remove a Google account from your Android phone? Maybe you're switching accounts, selling your phone, or just cleaning it up. Whatever the reason, I'll show you how to do it in just a few clicks. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more videos like this and like it. Let's get started. Here is how you can remove your Google account safely. Step 1. Open the settings. Unlock your phone and go to settings. Step number 2. Go to accounts. Scroll down and tap accounts or Google depending on your device. You will see all the accounts linked to your phone. Step number 3. Select the Google account to remove. Tap on the Google account you want to remove. And step number 4, remove the account. You see an option to remove account. Tap on it. If asked to confirm by entering your phone PIN or password. Now, just a bonus tip. If you're selling your phone, go to settings, system, reset options. Then erase all data option to completely wipe the device. Your Google account is removed. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more videos like this, leave a like on this video and share it with people who it might help. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.